This is a brand new projector from Opti. It's for the home market and it's called the Aura. It's absolutely ideal for smaller sensory rooms in schools and centres or maybe in your classroom corner, but also perfect for home. It comes with magnetic wheels. Wow, no more screwdrivers, no more shoving the wheels on, they just slot on like that. The brightness of this is okay, it's an LED, so you're not going to ever have to change lamps on it. And as you can see there, I've got a very dark liquid wheel sent with mine, so it doesn't look that bright. Focusing is dead easy, really simple operation with this, but you can see there, in a fairly well lit room, I can still see that liquid wheel pretty well. The quality of this thing is great, it's made in Britain, and I think for a budget projector, this is very, very good. Although you can manually control this, it also works with an app. So let's see how easy that is then. First thing you need to do is connect to the Wi-Fi in the projector, ESP, that's the one there. There we go, allegedly we're connected. Now we need to go back to the Aura app, there it is, then press the button that says configure. First thing you do is put in the name of your router. Now you'll find that on your Wi-Fi connection on any other device you've got, or you could look at it actually on the router itself. Like many people in the UK I'm with BT, so it's BT Hub, and then after that, then you need to put in your password. After you've done that, press return, and then there's a button that says update, which I just pressed there. Then you close the app and open it up again, and you won't have to set it up again. So you only have to do that once. If you go to the bottom of the app here, there is control. And we can first of all look at the brightness of the projector. So here you go. Just take it down and then whiz it back up again. Wow, that's great. The other wonderful feature for home is the timer. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes or 60 minutes. Just press one of those and the projector will switch off after that time. So if this projector is mounted in a bedroom or something like that, it can go off just as the child or the learner is going to sleep. And as you can see there, you can cancel it at any time. And this projector, the Aura, also comes with a wall mounting bracket. So this could be really good if you need that projector out of the way in the bedroom or the lounge or a little sensory room at home, or even your space in the classroom. This could be really, really good. The wall mounting is really nice, and one nice thing is it also has a safety cable. A lesson there for a few sensory companies. That's absolutely marvellous. You can adjust it around all over the place. So no lamp changes, magnetic wheels, a price of under £150. This is a great projector, and it's called the Opti Aura.